SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation 2021 expands the types of CFD problems you can solve and continues to improve how project results are processed. Rotating region is a powerful feature that is used to simulate fluid driving motion of rotating components. Now, in Flow Simulation 2021, rotating regions can be combined with the free surface feature. This is ideal for mixing tasks and can be leveraged further to gain more insight on product performance. For this thruster, we're solving for the torque and power requirements when it interacts with two separate fluids simultaneously. Goals are created to track these outputs, and by going to the history section of the goal plot, their values can be viewed throughout the duration of the study. With Flow Simulation 2021, new columns provided in the summary table make it easier than ever to find the maximum value and when it occurs. Creating common plots to visualize results is now even more efficient by using the new Create Plots from Scene command. You can even create the same plots in multiple projects all at once. Just activate the plots to view them. If you create one or multiple plots that you want to use in other projects, simply show the desired plots and choose the Create New Scene Template option. Now you're ready to create your various custom plots in any other project with only one command. Another common application for SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation is heat transfer. This vehicle enclosure has multiple electrical components inside that generate heat. The enclosure itself is designed to act as a heat sink. But how can you determine exactly how the heat is moving from one place to another? The flux plot provides a graphical interface so you can easily understand where the heat is coming from and where it's going to. A new option in this plot groups all items by type, so you can quickly check the energy balance of the simulation and ensure that your study has fully converged. Investigating specific areas of the model can be done by creating a cropped region. When you click the automatic plot min and max options, they are now calculated from this cropped region, so you can clearly communicate the range of values without further manual modifications. Another improvement with goals is the ability to calculate the minimum, average, and maximum from a selection of goals. For example, you can easily discover the maximum temperature across all of the batteries and PCBs with minimal setup work. To further reduce your amount of manual calculations, custom visualization parameters can now depend on other custom visualization parameters. The Magnus formula for calculating dew point temperature is a great example of when to use this new functionality. Just set up the items in the engineering database once, and they're ready to use for your past, current, and future projects. With SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation 2021, improve your simulation-driven design tasks with expanded capabilities and even more efficient results processing.